Welcome to the Rooftop Cargo Basket Assembly and Installation Tutorial. We recommend you watch the video completely prior to unboxing. However, if you'd like to skip ahead, follow the guide. To begin, take inventory to familiarize yourself with the parts prior to assembly. The following hardware is included with your kit. Take note that the rear fairing has a hole in the center, and the side fairings have holes in the top and bottom. Silicone sealant is included and recommended for the best experience. Apply silicone to the following points: assembly connections, screw connections, weld points and end caps to prevent corrosion from rain and moisture. Use the silicone sparingly. However, ensure the weld points are completely covered. Repeat the same process for the front assembly. and repeat the same process for the middle assembly. Add silicone to the middle slip joints and attach. Add silicone to the small end caps. Attach the smaller clips to the top of the front assembly, the larger clips to the bottom. If you haven't already done so, insert hex nuts to each clip. Using a small screw, insert a screw into the top middle loosely. This will help center the front fairing and align the clips to match the holes of the fairing. Once you're aligned, apply silicone and install the remaining screw. Use large screws and spacers to connect the bottom of the fairing. When you're finished, wipe clean. For the rear fairing, insert a hex nut into the wing nut. Snap on the rear fairing and align. Apply silicone to the threads and insert from back to front of the assembly and secure with wing nut. When you're finished, wipe clean. Prior to securing the side fairings, apply silicone to the slip joints of the assembly. Snap on the side fairings and align the holes. Apply silicone to the threads and secure. Repeat for the remaining side fairings. When you're finished, wipe clean. Measure your crossbars on your vehicle to determine the distance you'll place the clamps on your cargo basket. For the 64-inch basket, the minimum distance between crossbars should be between 29.75 and 51.5 inches. For the 43-inch basket, the maximum width is 29.75 inches. The clamp should be placed evenly from the center of the basket to distribute weight. Do not place the clamps in the middle assembly. Secure by snapping the clamps in place. To protect your rack from fall damage, find someone to help you lift the cargo basket onto your vehicle. Lift the cargo basket and slide onto the crossbars in center. The clamp should sit evenly on the crossbars. Clamp down the crossbars. Find a ladder with a stable base. Insert the U-bolt from under the crossbars into the clamp bracket. Place the top clamp bracket on over the clamp, secure together with washers and wing nuts. Repeat these steps for the remaining 3 clamps. Don't tighten the clamps until you're happy with the placement and no further adjustments need to be made. Periodically check for loose knobs and fasteners. Remove the cargo basket when not in use. Thanks for watching.